Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. Customer states the rear seat won't stay in place. And this car had a bit of an oil leak. And apparently this customer managed to puncture their tire in 14 different places. This mechanic was doing a regular oil change when they noticed that the customer had accidentally filled the car up with washer fluid. Uh-oh. This customer's Toyota 4Runner came in because they didn't want to go into the four-wheel drive low gear. Customer states, every time I go on longer drives, I get ants in my pants. This customer came in to get 4 new tires installed, but forgot to mention anything about this when dropping the car off. Something's not right. Customer states, hit something on the road, engine light is on, please check and advise. And this customer states, slight wobble to steering wheel. And here's everybody's favorite engine with all the knock-knock jokes. The owner of this 97 International truck said that he heard a loud bang and then lost almost all power. Customer states, the front tire sounds like it's about to fall off. And this car had some starting issues, and the mechanic discovered it was because ants had apparently built a nest in the fuse box. This customer came in complaining about a noisy wheel. Customer states, there's a blue light on the dash and it won't go away. Customer states, need new set of tires. And this is actually a feature so that you don't accidentally get out of your truck while it's not in park and rolling. And they definitely didn't come in too soon to get these replaced. Customer states, knocking sound from engine bay.
Who is it?
Customer states, car is leaking a lot of oil. And this customer came in with their Mercedes because it sounds like an outboard motor. And this customer came in for a regular oil and filter change, but didn't mention when it had been done the last time. Customer states, the horn is in the wrong place. This customer came in because they just couldn't open their window. This car came in for a fuel leak, and the mechanic discovered it was because an adjustable wrench had decided to take a little vacation. And this is some really serious technician stuff, okay? And according to the windshield sticker on this car, the last oil change was over 7,000 miles ago. Customer states, car starts but doesn't stay running for very long. Looks good. This customer had installed keyless entry by themselves in a pretty creative but maybe not so discreet way. Customer states, I think I hit a turkey, please check and repair fog lights. This customer stated that they had just filled their car with gas, parked it on the road for the night, but the next morning the car wouldn't start and their fuel light was on. This customer had apparently tried rock crawling for the first time. Looks like a lot of fun. Customer states, I brushed against a curbside. Customer states, car feels wobbly. And this customer states, slight vibration in their steering wheel. And this customer came in with their Hyundai because he had fixed an oil leak all by himself with glue and Flex Seal spray, but the car was still leaking oil. And this truck got towed in because the upper ball joint broke as the customer was turning in to park on their driveway. Looking at the amount of rust on the ball joint, it seems like it's been bad for quite a while. And this customer came in because they stated noise from underneath the car. It ended up being a bad wheel bearing, but the mechanic also found this. Okay, find one thing wrong with this Hemi engine and comment below what you think it is. And this customer states, I hit a big rock. Yeah, pretty small rock. Customer states, my steering wheel sounds like a Star Wars fight. And this customer came in to have their oil changed, but did not want to mention anything to the mechanic about what had actually happened to their car. And this customer was trying to document their airbag light coming on when this happened.
Blowing a big bubble.
Customer states, my brake pedal won't ever get firm. This car came in for a simple oil change and the mechanics found this during normal idle. This customer came into the shop because their car broke down while they were driving on the highway. And this Jeep Liberty came in for an oil leak after just having had it repaired at another shop. And this Acura TLX was towed in because of a knock-in sound. Customer states, parked the car on the street and the next morning it wouldn't move. And this customer came in complaining about a ticking sound coming from his engine. And this customer just wanted the mechanic to fix his control arm and nothing else. The owner of this Chrysler managed to drive 30 miles to the shop with this bad of an oil leak. And this customer complained about poor braking power. This car came in with the wrong drain plug, a dented oil pan, and this beautiful custom-made design. And this Subaru had a little bit of an alignment issue. Customer states, strange noises when accelerating. Customer states, I just need a tire rotation. Customer states, installed spacers on my own, but now have a small issue.
Bruh.
And this customer complained about their brakes not braking.
Oh, got it?
Yeah.
This customer complains about their car shaking a lot over 40 miles an hour. Customer states, my Volvo sits too low and wobbles. And this customer came in because they said that their Buick sounds louder than usual. Customer states, grinding noise coming from underneath my car. This customer came in with their car because it was overheating. The mechanics found a cracked engine block which caused the engine oil to mix with coolant. But hey, at least he had a performance oil filter. And this customer hadn't changed their oil in quite a while. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.